Let me tell a small story. I have avoided death many times, being killed by my former comrades in many ways. I can tell a story, which I will tell. I will have enough time next year to tell the story. How many people have been sent to my house to kill me by people I know. It's not my time to say those things now, but I want to tell you, among the reasons why I've taken this decision was I realized this is not a country I fought for. I need to see a South Africa that our ancestors